This is a Spitfire built by a British firm, CCM, up in Bolton. They made a cafe racer version, a bobber and a scrambler, but this is the Flat Tracker.
So what do you get to play with? Well, just look at it. The standout straight away is the frame. It was hand-welded by someone called Ted at the factory, and that in itself just adds some character to it. We've got some carbon fibre on it. The balance is right, though. You know, when sometimes there's too much carbon in it, it looks a bit chavvy. I look at the wheels, CNC, 19-inch, just to give that dirt track feel. They made 250 of these, costing £10,000. And guess what? They've sold absolutely every one of them, and I'm not surprised.
It's got 600cc, 55 brake horsepower. What a punchy little motor. Listen to this. All it wants you to do is throw gears at it when you accelerate. So, first gear, second, third, fourth. It is so torquey, and it sounds amazing. The only downside, really, is the seat. There's not really enough cushion for my bony bum.
But I didn't just want to ride it on the road. I wanted to get it dirty.
Well, let's see what this is all about. It was designed for the flat track, so let's give it a go. It doesn't help when, just before you set off, someone says, I've not really tested it on a flat track yet, so what's the word? Crash test dummy. So, first impression, it's got a lot of power. Oh, yeah. The way the fuel tank is, you just can't quite get your weight far enough forward to keep the back of the bike pivoting round the front wheel. That said, with a few tweaks, you won't be a million miles off. It's a beast. My leg's aching already.
I'm here with Aidan Collins, 5 times British dirt track champion and pretty qualified in the art of overtaking on dirt track. First of all, we're going to talk about diving up the inside, undertaking into the corner. What are the techniques?
I'm literally looking for the slightest gap, yeah, just to send it. It's a flat track term, send it. Basically dive bomb it.
Dive bomb.
Dive bomb, yeah.
We're talking Marc Marquez road race
Exactly
style.
that Marquez style, yeah. You're talking a gap of an inch. You leave 1 inch.
I leave you that 1 inch you're coming through.
You leave 1 inch and we're through. Make you see my front wheel. So then that makes you, if you're the lead rider,
sit up.
Sit up.
Yeah.
It's better, safer to pick it up and just let me through.
Hey up. It's through.
So let's talk about the long way around, round the outside.
Yeah, dirt track terms, the outside is the brave man. You want to chase your opponent in, but go in harder and faster off the racing line. It's going to send you right past the corner, and hopefully there's a cushion of dirt around the outside what will hold me up. Loads of throttle, get your wheels in line quicker, hopefully, all being well, come out in front of you.
My God, it's like a wild man.
Well, we've seen lots of passing in the corners, but how would you pass on the straights?
It's just trying to nibble at someone's rear tyre and trying to outfox them, get a faster exit out of the corner. And I want to try and get a fair bit of weight on the rear tyre just to help it stop spinning so much. And then that gives you a bit of a turbo power. And then when you get in front of them, don't leave them the room, drop it on them. Right. Physically drop it on them. So that makes them like slam on the brakes where you're just free flowing on the gas.
At the end of the day, it's a lot of fun, isn't it? I mean, that's what Dirtquake's all about.
That's exactly it. It's all about fun.
Good job.
All right.
Just keep practicing. I think you can improve on the way in. The middle of the corner you're a little bit slow, and try and work on your exits. I think apart from that, you should be okay.